Good morning, traders. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. It's Wednesday morning, the day for the Federal Reserve interest rate decision. Very important day for this week, definitely. Very volatile it's going to be. It's a matter of time to see what's going to happen. 7 p.m. GMT today. So this is the major event for the week, guys. Crude oil inventories we have before that 3:30 p.m. core durable goods 1:30 p.m. GMT, and these are the events for Wednesday. Thursday we have GDP in US 1:30 p.m. initial jobless claims the same time 1:30 p.m. GMT for US, new home sales 3 p.m. and that's for Thursday. Friday we have pending home sales, and this is how we're gonna finish the week. What's more important, of course, as always, the charts. What do we have? Euro US dollar, we see in front of us. Let's take a look. What is going? What's happening right now? We talked about this correction, quite expected. Continuation to the upside, slight recovery to the downside again against this push, and it's pretty possible to see test of 1.2553 levels. The correction was good enough, so I'm not going to be surprised if we see 1.2353. GBP US, we have kind of different situation here, as we don't have such a big correction as the Euro US dollar. The price is trending up obviously, and right now hitting the resistance level of 1.3746. A very important level. Bear in mind the upcoming days we can see a correction of the GBP again, or a slight breakout. It could be definitely false breakout of the GBP. Careful with your Great British Pound buys. Australian US, it's creating the triangle that we discussed last time on Monday. Still respecting the resistance level, still holding 0.7741. I'm gonna keep the same levels as before. 0.7822 is my resistance, 0.7655 is my support, and I'm going to wait to see how the Australian is going to perform out of these boundaries. Very important. We can see test of the support, nothing much, and test of the resistance from here, as we are standing right in the middle of these boundaries. New Zealand US, kind of a little bit more clear than the Australian. It's absolutely an uptrend correction, continuation to the upside, broken the miners resistance 0.7225. This level here, as you can see, still holding the level, and test of 0.7314 is not going to be a surprise. For the New Zealand is a country with pretty few COVID cases, as you know that, and that's what actually is supporting the New Zealand dollar to the upside. USD CAD going to crude oil first, still holding these boundaries 53.92, 51.46 here and here. And let's see how the interest rate is going to affect, and the crude oil inventory is very important event for the crude oil price. Crude oil inventory is 3:30. Let me just remind you again, 3:30 p.m. GMT. Crude oil inventory is a very important event for the crude oil. For now, it's trying to test 53.92, still away from it, $1 per barrel, and we are just waiting to see what is going to happen. USD Canadian, completely downtrend. Strong push yesterday to the downside, 90 pips from the top to the bottom. This is 1.2688, as you can see, tested again one more time, 3 times for the last 3 days, Monday, Tuesday, and today. It seems the price is struggling breaking out this support level. So, but bear in mind, because of this strong downtrend, we definitely can see breakout to test 1.2623. It could take some time, but definitely it's pretty possible. USD Swiss, what's going on here? Downtrend completely, correction as we discussed, test of the resistance here 0.8922, continuation to the downside, bounce back like the euro, just on the opposite side, slight bounce back to the upside, and continuation to test 0.8822, probably to the end of the day. Again, interest rate decision, I repeat, is very important event to see to give some direction of the US dollar. So just be very careful. with the USD Swiss today. USD Japan not very clear. The trend is clear, but the recent price action, as you can see, is just simply struggling to break lower, fluctuating around 103.67, our support level and resistance. As you can see, very tiny small candle here, daily candles is the morning, and the very low volatility, morning volatility we have on the home forex market would say. We have a triangle formation almost here, so continuation to the downside is pretty possible. A little bit short today, guys, as we talked about the events already on Monday. Follow the market, follow the events. Interest rate decision, very important event today, probably the most important for the week. So trade, of course, trade smart. Thank you very much for watching. As always, if you like the video, of course, thumbs up, shares, and like us on the social medias. It's Peter Thompson, Senior Mentor of 1 Billion Signals, sponsored by Merit Forex. If you have any questions, you know how to reach me, of course. Have a very profitable week and expect my new video on Monday. Enjoy the weekend. Bye bye.